So, good afternoon everyone. Happy New Year po. So, mag-start na po tayo kahit medyo konti pa lang kasi 5 o'clock yung ating meeting. So, nakikita niyo po yung naka-share screen.
Yes, clear po.
Yes.
So, by the way po, this is Rachel, yung sa marketing department po. Ayan, may mga nag-e-enter pa. So, i-discuss lang po natin yung ating new campaign for this month. It's called Let's Unify Weekly New Recruit Campaign. So, I believe lahat po kayo na-sendan na ng information nito sa email nyo. Tama po ba?
Yes po, received.
Okay. So, nabasa nyo naman na po yung ating mechanics. Actually, madali lang naman po yung mechanics natin. It's very easy and not complicated, no? So, ang pinaka-requirement lang po niya is to have 3 direct sales within a week para magkaroon po kayo ng additional bonus on top of your commissions. So, nag-start po ito nung January 1, tapos wala pa siyang end date, no, to be announced pa. So, yung week period po niya is from Monday to Sunday. If you could remember yung past campaigns natin, yung week niya nagdedepende kung kailan mo na-register yung sale. For this one po, fix yung week niya na Monday to Sunday. So today, nag-start na siya. Actually, nag-start siya ng January 1, which is Thursday. So yung week no, nag-end nung Sunday. That's January 4. So dun sa period na yon from January 1 to 4, kung nag-3 direct sale kayo, magkakaroon kayo ng additional bonus. Okay, so ngayon, start na siya ulit, Monday, January 5 until Sunday, which is January 10. And then, on top of that, meron din tayong weekly target bonus. So, this one is for global. Kailangan maka-reach po tayo ng 5,000 sales in 1 week para magkaroon ng extra bonus yung mga nag-3 direct sales. So, ito yung pinaka-rule natin. So, again, from Monday through Sunday siya. And then, lahat po is eligible to participate. Kahit Tokoray account kayo, or mGuard account kayo, or Kangen Air account kayo, or Ukon Didi account kayo, qualified po kayo, basta mag-3 direct sales lang kayo, and you'll be able to get bonus. So, paano ba kinakalculate yung bonus? Nakadepende po siya dun sa 3 direct sales nyo sa product. Isa-sum up natin dito dun sa bonus calculation, total sales price. So, ika-calculate natin yung sum ng unit price ng direct sale nyo. And then, meron tayong multiplier which is yung 0.08, tapos yan, 333. So, kung ano yung makukuha nyo po dong amount, yun yung marireceive nyong bonus. And then for the 3 direct sale, hindi po counted yung mga canceled sales or Tokoray sales and unpaid accounts. Tapos counted yung self-purchase, no limit. Even yung mga Ukon Didi renewals po is counted as direct sale. And then only 1 e-payment is allowed for the 3 direct sales. Tapos using enroller will still count as a sale for the direct sponsor. So, for example, yung sale nyo merong enroller, maka-count yung direct sale dun sa sponsor. Okay? Clear naman po? So, ito yung mga product value. Ito yung isa-sum up nyo para makuha nyo yung bonus amount nyo. If you can see, yan yung unit price ng products natin without VAT. So, yan, si Super 501, that's 260,000, lahat yan walang VAT. So, feel free to screenshot po para magkaroon kayo ng copy. Or pwede ko rin po kayong sendan itong PowerPoint ko sa messenger ninyo or email. Okay? So, even yung mga Ukon Didi natin na member price, Anespa DX and Super 501 na member price, is counted po siya as direct sale. Even yung mga E8PA memberships po. And yung ating FC1 set of 30 and 50 is also counted as your direct sale. Okay, so for the weekly target bonus, ang eligible po again is yung makakapag 3 direct sale within that period. And the weekly target units is set at 5,000 units. So dapat maka 5,000 units globally in a week. Pero pwede pa rin po yung mabago. And lahat naman po ng updates tsaka ng mga changes, makikita po natin yan sa DSP portal po natin. So for the calculation naman po ng weekly incentives or nung bonus na additional, so same pa rin, total sales price, ang multiplier niya is 0.041667 times yung incremental bonus percentage, which is yung pag na-hit yung 5,000, the incremental bonus percentage is 100%. So yan yung magiging formula for you to get your weekly bonus. Okay. So, pero pag nag-exceed ng 5,000, for example, yung sale nung week na yon, yung incremental bonus is tataas din. So, dito sa example, it's 5,500 units. So, yung incremental bonus package niya po, bonus percentage will be 110%. So, depende po siya sa sales volume. Kailangan is minimum of 5,000 above. Okay. So, meron tayong mga examples dito para mas clear, no? So, again, the target week for this week is January 5 to January 11. And also the units is 5,000. So, for example, meron kayong sale na Ukon Sigma ng January 5. And yung 110,000, ito yung unit price ni Ukon Sigma. And then, another direct sale ng January 7, which is K8, which is ang product value ni K8 is 220,000. And then another direct sale na Anespa ng January 11. So in this period, if you can see, pasok po tayo dun sa target week natin from Monday to Sunday na January 5 to 11. So in this case, makaka-receive po kayo ng bonus. So paano natin i-calculate yung bonus natin? Isa-sum up natin yung product value ni Ukon Sigma na 110,000, si K8 naman na 220,000, and then si Anespa na 125,000. So ang total sale price is 455,000. And then again, i-multiply natin siya dun sa multiplier, which is fixed amount naman po yung multiplier natin. Ang naging bonus nyo po is 37,916. So, i-round up lang siya. Magiging 37,917. And then, kapag na-hit naman yung weekly sales on that period as well, nag 5,000 siya or more. So, dito sa example natin, it hits 5,750 units. So, ito naman yung bonus calculation niya. Yung unit price pa rin na sum, which is yung 45, i-multiply dito sa 0.041667 times 110% since nag-exceed siya ng 5,000 units. So, additional 20,855 yung makukuha nyo. So, imagine for the 3 direct sale, makaka-receive kayo ng 57,000 total on top of your commissions, no? Ayan, meron pa tayong isang example. Ito naman yung hindi mo marireach yung, ito yung example na hindi mo marireach yung target and yung hindi ka makareceive ng bonus. So, in this example, nagkaroon ka ng 2 direct sale within 1 week. Pero yung pang third direct sale mo, na target mo na siya on the second week. So, in this case, hindi kayo eligible for the bonus. So, ayan, very simple lang. End of presentation na natin. Before po ako magpunta dun sa next campaign, kasi may isa pa, baka may questions po kayo? Or clear naman po ba yung ating mechanics?
Yung direct
Meron
sale,
pong
isang
question.
account number lang yun, ano?
Sige po.
Isang
So,
ID number
assist
lang
po
yung direct
or-
sale.
Sige, pa-raise na lang po muna ng hand para po ma-address natin muna yung questions. Sige, for Sir Bernard po.
Yeah, I'm asking kung multiple account ka, so isang ID number lang dapat yung 3 direct sales, tama?
Basta sir, kung sino yung sponsor na nag-3 direct, siya yung magkakaroon ng bonus. So,
Ah,
syempre, with your 3 direct, magkakaroon siya ng different ID numbers.
Yeah, kaya nga. So, ibig sabihin per ID number, hindi per name.
Oo, wala, opo, per ID number naman, sir. And hindi makaka-receive yung pinaka-sponsor pa. Kung sino lang
Alright.
talaga yung nag-redirect.
Alright.
Sige po, next question po. Sino pa po yung nagtatanong? Sa chat box. So, si Miss Grace, may question siya, are you open on Sunday? So, ang office hours po natin is from Mondays to Saturdays ng 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. So, in case you have sales on Sunday, you can send it directly to GOC email po. So, for Miss Tess naman, if there is a referrer and sponsor, ano po yung question nyo, ma'am? Sorry. Basta kung sino po yung sponsor na magti-3 direct sale, si sponsor po yung eligible for the bonus.
Di ba ma'am, sorry. Di ba ma'am, pag meron akong, for example, I'm the referrer, ako normally yung, tapos ilalagay ko siya doon sa ilalim na siya yung sponsor, yung member ko na gusto kong ilagyan ng tao na na-refer ko. So, di ba normally, the referrer ang mag-earn ng commission, pero the sponsor does not earn the commission, except the points, no? So, dito sa ating program, sa campaign, mag-a-avail ba yun ang sponsor ang mag-avail, wala yung referrer?
For this campaign, ma'am, kung sino po yung direct sponsor na nagbenta ng 3, siya po yung magkakaroon ng bonus. But when it comes dun sa 8-point commission, same pa rin po. Kung part ng 8-point commission yung sponsors, makaka-receive po sila. Pero for this campaign po, yung kung sino yung magde-direct ng 3 benta, siya po yung may bonus.
So, meaning kung ako yung may direct, tapos lahat yun ilalagay ko sa ilalim na gusto kong tulungan ng mga members,
No, ma'am. That's not direct
hindi-
sale na
hindi-
po. That's
hindi na
indirect
siya direct
sale.
sale, indirect na siya.
Opo.
Do ako yung makakuha ng commissions. So, yung
Yes po.
yung sa yung sponsor na gin-assign ko siya yung makakuha. Okay. For
Direct
example,
sale, ma'am. Opo.
the sponsor gusto i-build. So, gusto kong tulungan siya mag 2A.
So,
So,
siya yung
siya yung makakuha ng bonus.
Opo.
Ng campaign bonus. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Noted. Thank you.
Alright po. Any more questions po?
Po, ma'am.
Yes po.
Saan binibase yung sales? Sa pag-send ba ng application sa GOC o sa payment? Kung kailan na-confirm yung payment?
Sa registration po ni GOC. But of course, before tayo mag-send kay GOC, it should be attached na dun sa application form yung payment. Okay po.
Yeah, kasi yung sinend ko, di ba, hindi pa siya nakukonfirm yung payment. Pero December 30 yun.
Oh, oo sir. Pero yung campaign natin started January 1 and nung time na na-send siya ng December 30, na-register na siya.
Okay. Sige.
So, hindi na siya verified po. May questions pa po?
Yes, hello.
Yes, sir.
Miss Ching, hello, good morning.
Okay, good afternoon po. Yes, sir.
Klaro ko lang po, how yung connection ng international promo doon sa 3 direct sales campaign, di ba connected yun, related?
Mm-mm.
Yung eligible ba to receive international promo yung daily, yung maka-qualified lang for those who have only availed the 3 direct sales o
Yes, sir. Correct po.
ayun lang?
Kung sino lang
So,
po yung nakapag-direct sale on that period,
Sila
sila lang
ang
po
eligible
for the
participants.
additional bonus for the weekly bonus.
Okay.
Apo.
Hindi
Kaya,
pala siya katulad the other year kasi doon may promo baga yung international contest, daily contest
apo.
na within the 8 points. So iba ngayon.
Actually,
Provided
dalawa yung
dapat,
campaign natin.
oo. balik continuity yung promo doon sa 3 direct sales.
Lahat po ng promo natin last month nag-end na nung December 31.
Yes, yes.
Oo, this is our new promo. Actually, we have two pa. We have two campaign ngayong buwan. Ito pa lang yung unang campaign na dinidiscuss ko. And then meron pa
Kaya-
tayong isa which is yung
Opo.
point.
I-clear ko lang, halimbawa ako in my group,
Mm-mm.
kahit maraming pumasok, kung hindi naman ako nakakwalify ng 3 direct sales within a week, so I'm not qualified the international bonus. Ganun ba?
Etong weekly target bonus lang yun, sir. Pero yung iba naman yung sa daily 8 points. Yun sa daily 8 points kasi na i-discuss ko after this.
Okay, sige.
Ano naman siya, daily 8 points contest lang siya within 8 points. So paramihan lang naman siya ng benta everyday global. So top 20 yan.
Pero yung na-mention mo kanina,
Mm-mm.
among the winner or among the qualifier of the top, the 3 recruit in a week, yun lang ang qualified. Yung
Correct.
additional bonus.
Yes po, sila lang. Lahat ng magti-3 direct sale has the chance to have an additional bonus for the weekly bonus.
How much?
I-reach po yung 5,000 units. So meron tayong calculation, sir. Eto, tignan nyo po. Ayan, nakikita nyo sa share screen, no?
Yes po.
Apo. So, ayan yung calculation.
But-
Isa-sum up nyo lang yung, isa-sum up nyo lang yung 3 direct sale ninyo, then i-multiply nyo dun sa multiplier natin na 0.04166667.
But the question is, how could we know that the international sales reach 5,000 units?
Dun sa DSP portal po ninyo, doon nyo po makikita lahat ng updates. So, I highly encourage everyone to please use your DSP portal and check every time para magkaroon kayo ng information for this campaign as well as yung updates kung nakakailang sales na ba tayo. So, lahat
Okay.
po yun pinopost doon sa DSP portal natin. And for
Wow.
those who cannot access their DSP portal, please let us know. We are here to help and guide you po. Kahit i-PM nyo kami or tawagan nyo kami para mag-guide namin kayo, ma-run through namin kayo on how you can access your EAPA or DSP portal.
Rachel,
Yes,
paano
sir.
kung more than 3 yung sales, direct sales?
Ayun,
Computed-
sir. For
computed
more
pa
than
rin ba
3
yun?
sales in a week, ang makaka-count lang doon is yung highest product na 3. But you can still win on the other week. So every week pwede kayong manalo basta 3 lang per week. Kung mag-e-exceed kayo, 3 pa rin yung ika-count.
Okay.
Kaya kung
Okay.
kaya nyong mag-win every week, mas maganda, mas maraming bonus.
Alright.
Okay. May question si Ma'am Grace Olores sa ating chat box. What does 5,000 units means? So, Ma'am Grace, yung 5,000 po is yun yung sales target ng buong Enagic Global. So, in that 1 week, dapat maka-reach tayo ng 5,000 units para magkaroon pa kayo ng additional weekly target bonus.
Ma'am Cheng,
Yes po.
that 5,000 unit, is it doable to reach by the international business? The entire international business?
With
Is
this
it doable?
campaign, I think so, sir. Kaya po we are given this opportunity, especially this campaign with big amount bonus, no? Para mas ma-promote natin yung ating products and at the same time, especially yung mga mag-rank ups po dyan, this is the best opportunity na din to rank up yourself. Because hindi lang title incentive yung makukuha nyo, kung hindi additional bonus. And you also have a chance na ma-award dun sa upcoming convention natin sa
Yes.
Japan this June.
Ma'am
Yeah.
Cheng, can you give us an approximate the usual every month? How many units of Kangen that's the whole words sold in the previous month? How much? Approximately how many units?
Kasi for the previous month, we closed around 15,000.
Last
1,000.
December.
Opo. Which is mahina pa yun kasi ang dami
but-
na nakabakasyon.
But the
Pero
highest
ang
is
talaga natin is 30,000.
30,000. Yeah.
Oo.
Okay.
So
So,
doable
mababa
naman
naman
po,
pala.
sir.
Mababa
Especially,
naman pala yung parameter.
oo, sir. Kaya mag 6A ka na this month.
Ala.
This is the best opportunity na
Yeah.
kayo.
Opo.
Sino pa po ang may question? Questions? Okay, kung wala na po, stop ko na yung screen ko. Then, I'll share naman yung isa nating campaign.
Okay.
Actually, itong isang campaign natin, napaka-easy lang din.
Madali.
Mm-mm.
Does it the same doon sa previous years? Di ba ano?
Actually, parang
Ma'am?
kinombine nila yung mga campaigns previously sa ngayon, pero they make it more doable at hindi masyadong complicated.
Oo.
Ayan, so ayan, from the campaign itself, it says daily 8-point sales contest. So paramihan lang ng benta every day globally within 8 points. So nakikita nyo po pala yung slide, sorry.
Yeah.
Ayan. So, for the contest evaluation, meron siyang dalawang category or type, daily 8-point sales unit contest and daily 8-point sales amount contest. Sa unit contest, it means kung anong mga product, no? Yun yung category nila, paano sila magbe-base to calculate the top 20. And then yung isa naman is sales amount contest, yung equivalent sales amount din ng product na yon.
The cost of the product.
Yes po. Then top 20 yung pwedeng kuhanin every day. Meron lang tayong kailangan i-note, no? Yung mga machines natin will be counted as one. But for the Kangen Air, M-Guard, E8PA Bronze, and filters set of 30, it's count as 1/2 sale lang or 0.5. And then for
0.5.
DD, it's 1/3 or 0.3.
All product aside Kangen 8 are all 0.5.
Lahat po ng machine natin, SD501, Kangen 8, Platinum, JR4, Anespa, it's counted as one sale. But
The
for
rest of the
Kangen
product,
Air, M-Guard,
uh-huh,
yung mga non-machine natin,
and
pati
spa.
yung Ukon Sigma is counted as one din po.
Okay.
And then self-purchase is also counted. E-payment is counted as one. So, dun din sa 3 direct sale natin, let's say you have 3 direct sale, no? Isang e-payment lang ang allowed doon. Yung dalawa should be one-time or credit card payment po. So, same.
Hala,
Oo.
mahirap din pala, ma'am. Di ba? Mostly kasi is na-avail via e-payment.
Mm. Pero meron naman tayong mga flexible terms sa credit card. Pero dito sa daily 8-point, yung e-payment is counted, pero yung Tokoray at saka mga unpaid sales is hindi counted. Pero kung ikaw is Tokoray account ka, pwede ka pa rin mag-participate at may chance ka pa ding manalo. Okay? So, ito po yung ating bonus chart. So, top 20 yung kukunin for the sales unit contest and sales amount. So, each will get $500 for the top 1 and then yung top 20 will get $150. So, dun again sa DSP portal nyo, i-display lahat ng top 20 winners natin. So, since this is daily, yung calculation will take 3 days. So, after 3 days, doon nila ipopost yun sa DSP portal natin. So,
May result na.
yeah, so napaka-easy lang ng ating mechanics, but at the same time, napakalaking opportunity, especially the bonus amount on top of your commissions. Kaya I hope by this month, maging prosperous pa ang ating new year with this campaign, no?
Dalawa.
Ayan, stop share ko na. So, baka meron pong questions.
So, dalawang contest yun, Ching.
Yes po, you can win dun sa daily 8-point contest. You can also win at the same time dun sa 3 direct sales.
Okay.
Kasi we are aiming to achieve 5,000 or more sales in a week.
Weekly.
Yeah.
Okay.
And napakalaki ng ating bonus amount with this campaign. And again, for those na mag-rank up from January to May, you still have the chance na ma-award kayo sa ating next convention sa Japan this coming June.
Okay, okay.
So may questions pa po? Yes, Ma'am Tess, you're raising your hand.
Yes, Ma'am Ching, i-clarify ko lang ulit yung regarding sa follow-up, ano lang ito nung question ko kanina. So,
Yes, ma'am.
if I am kasi build ko ngayon yung mga downlines ko. If I refer and ilalagay ko sa ilalagay ko sa isang member ko na mapopromote siya to 2A, siya yung makakuha ng weekly bonus
Correct,
campaign
ma'am.
kasi siya yung sponsor. Pero ako pa rin yung makakuha ng yung
Yes,
basic yung special points.
Kung
Bonus.
lalagay mo yung sarili mo as a enroller, you mean, ma'am?
Oh, enroller referrer, 'di ba? Yun ang ano
Opo.
natin.
Yun, ma'am.
Mm-mm.
Yes po. Pero ang direct sale bonus will be given dun sa
We'll go to the okay. So it's a
Opo.
good surprise for that
Opo. And
person. Kung tutulungan ko.
correct, ma'am. And kindly take note lang po kung maglalagay kayo ng enroller sa isang sale, you have to ensure that yung direct sponsor natin is active with their SP. Kasi kaya tayo naglalagay ng enroller, siya yung magbe-benefit ng SP.
Oo. So yung for example, inactive yung member na yun for a long time and then lalagyan mo siya para magising. So
Pero
inactive
dapat,
siya, right? So hindi
Apo.
siya ano yung status niya? Makukuha niya pa rin yun kasi siya yung sponsor?
Kung walang enroller, ma'am, yes po, ma-activate naman siya.
No. Pag may enroller.
Yes, ma'am, makukuha pa rin naman po.
Hindi, Ching.
So-
Sorry, Ching. Sorry to correct you, Ching, ha?
Ano po?
Pag ang enroller, Miss Tess, is ikaw, tapos yung nilagyan mo is
Inactive
inactive.
na member. Oo.
Inactive, walang makukuha na commission yung nilagyan mo.
Depende kung
Okay.
ano na yung status
Pero
niya.
So
yung sa
kasi
bonus,
sponsor kasi bali yung inactive na yun ang magiging sponsor, 'di ba? 'Di ba, sir? So
Yes,
yun
yes. So
yung
wala kang wala siyang makukuha. Yung enroller kasi
Ay,
yung
ma-activate.
sa,
okay.
yung sa 8.2
Okay. Yeah. Yun lang yung gusto kong ma-clarify. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Pwede ba ang mGuard, Miss Ching, sa sa SP?
pwede naman, sir.
Pwede pa activate ng SP ang mGuard.
Nakaka-activate siya ng SP, pero yung commission mo mismo, walang SP.
Ulit.
Pag nagkaroon ka ng direct sale na mGuard, ma-activate naman yung SP mo.
Okay.
Pero yung commission mo from the mGuard, walang SP. Wala
So
talaga
less,
SP ang
less,
commission ng mGuard.
okay. Less ang SP, pero activated yung mo.
Oo.
90 days na Okay. Thank you.
May question si Sir Bernard. Speaking of Japan Convention, sino ang in charge sa registration? Mag-a-announce kami, sir, with the further details kapag confirm na po.
Thank you.
Excited si
Thank you,
Bernard Mela.
Ma'am Rachel.
Nakabook na yata yun siya ng hotel kahit wala pang event.
See you up.
Ayun. So, we are expecting a lot of sales from you guys this month with this campaign, no? So, just let us know kung ano yung kailangan yung assistance or support. Tapos, make sure din po na ma-disseminate po natin to sa ating mga group, sa ating mga downline, sa ating team, and also educate them how to maximize this campaign para lahat kayo magkaroon ng chance and at the same time mag-rank up yung mga possible na mag-rank up this month. Okay, so may questions pa po? Questions? No more? Wala na pong magtatanong?
Pahabol, Ma'am Cheng. Clarification regarding doon sa payment. Only those who paid cash or credit card lang makakount. Hindi yung e-payment, no?
Counted po ang e-payment, ma'am, pero one time lang, once lang. Doon sa 3 direct
What do you
sale,
mean once?
doon sa
What
3
do you
direct
mean?
sale, ma'am, isa lang ang pwedeng e-payment. Yung dalawa should be one time or credit card installment or credit card straight payment.
What do you mean one time account?
Doon sa 3 direct sale mo, ma'am, in 1 week, isa lang doon ang pwedeng e-payment. Yung dalawa, Tapos
Dapat,
other
okay.
naman,
Okay.
magdidirect ka uli ng 3, 1 e-pay lang ulit yung pwede.
Miss
Ah,
Cheng,
okay. Thank you,
Miss
thank you.
Cheng,
Yes po.
very crucial naman yan. Pag doon pala sa tatlo, dalawang e-payment, disqualified na sa bonus.
Oh, basta kailangan makatatlo ka na isa lang doon ng e-payment. Pero syempre,
Kasi
kaya ni
majority of the sales baga puro naka-e-payment halos.
meron naman mga credit card na flexible yung term, 0% interest, no down payment. Halos lahat naman ng bank we can cater, Metrobank, BDO, BPI,
Kaya nga.
Union Bank, Citibank.
So, doon sa tatlo, isang e-payment, isang cash
Mm-mm.
payment, isang via credit card payment.
Opo.
Kasi pag dalawa na palang e-payment, wala nang bonus.
Kaya
Goodbye
mo yan,
bonus.
sir. Mas maganda nga na hindi e-payment kung kaya nyo kasi para yung commission nyo rin ma-release kaagad.
Kung kaya, but mostly of the transaction are all in a form of e-payment. Di ba? Sas-
Do it, sir.
Oo nga, sana all. My credit card.
Ayan. So, may questions pa po?
One more, Ma'am Ching. May isa kasi akong prospect na nag-ask sa akin regarding doon sa credit card. Bakit daw yung commissions natin pay through credit cards ay lower sa regular. So, when in fact daw, as good as cash din daw yung payment sa credit card. What do you think? What is our on that stand?
Yung sa credit card kasi natin, ma'am, actually, may mga surcharges siya. As long as gumamit tayo ng facility ng bank. And instead of, i-bill natin yung mga interest or charges kay customer, nire-reduce na lang yung commission para makover po yung surcharges kay bank.
Okay, so thank you. Yun pala yung reason behind. Thank you.
Alright po. So, kung wala na pong magtatanong, I think let's end na. I'm sure busy rin kayo. Thank you for attending the Zoom meeting. Meron pa po akong isang session ng January 8, same time. So, for other group na hindi pa nakaka-attend, pwede pong i-invite din sila or i-share yung ating flyer. No? So, thank you very much po and God bless and more sales for this month with discount.
More commission, more bonus.
Thank you. Thank you, Najik.
Thank
Thank you, Ma'am
you.
Ching.
We are expecting a lot of 6As this month hanggang buong year. Especially
you.
para
So be it.
magkaroon kayo ng chance ma-award sa Japan. Okay,
Yeah.
so thank you very
Ching.
much po. I'll be ending the meeting na. In case you have questions, just send us email or PM nyo kami sa Messenger para ma-help out namin kayo, ma'am and sirs. So thank you and happy New Year
Yes,
po.
goodbye.
Goodbye, good vibes.